Literary Chandigarh Lit Fest 2024.
The wait is always a good thing.
Beautiful
It
lake
always
view,
keeps your heart
and
moving
Tushar
and
Kapoor,
happy.
Bollywood actor,
And
is speaking
we
on
do
his book
start walking in,
Bachelor Dad
and
in
yes,
Chandigarh
we
Lit
all can
Fest.
meet him there.
Let's
Do welcome him with a big round of applause. Yes, Sohail, the stage is yours, and we're waiting for your.
चंडीगढ़ में रेड एफएम को भी ये मौका मिला कि अपने फेवरेट स्टार से मिल पाए एंड उनकी किताब ऑफ कोर्स इसको आई थिंक समाज में जितना हो सके जगह मिलनी चाहिए। किताब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट भी करे और मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने शो पे इसके बारे में डेफिनेटली बात करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज़ आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट
Please talk about it, yes.
आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट
And
एंड
please ask your listeners to they can order it on Amazon.
यस यू कैन डू
If they're
दैट
not here in the festival, I can sign it.
कैन यू गेट द साइन यस कैन यू
Does anyone have a pen?
yes.
वहाँ पे ले लेंगे, वहाँ पे चलते हैं। हाँ हाँ ठीक है, मैं ले आऊँ। बहन को ले जाऊँ उधर। हाँ हाँ हाँ, आप सेट करो। रागिनी।
किस तरफ देखना है?
Thank you, Ragini.
In Lax, and a lot of us are now familiar with it. In my year, it was the first year. But he told me that he come to a stage with all
Hello
of us
everybody,
Indians
so
realize
I am a literature freak and I always wanted to attend literature events and also I'm pursuing my degree in English, so it is a nice experience and I'm really looking forward to meet Kushwant Singh, so yeah, it's a nice event, I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
What was your experience with the today events? आज के इवेंट के बारे में?
It was nice, I really enjoyed the speakers and also all the stalls they are having, it's really fun.
Thank you very much.
Every year you're getting better and better, but this time
Have anything else left? She has worked extensively with various government departments and ministries.
He's had an exceptional innings. His ability to innovatively resolve intricate issues brought about a marked shift in the psyche of security forces, civil administration, and the Kashmiri populace, thereby infusing an environment of peace, harmony, and bonhomie, which is so important to defeat anti-national elements. He is popularly called the People's General. Please give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have a feast of stories. Stories of valor, grit, determination.
चंडीगढ़ लिट कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट्स
सर पंचकुला
पंचकुला के आए हैं। कौन सा कॉलेज है?
गवर्नमेंट पीजी कॉलेज सेक्टर 1 पंचकुला।
अच्छा, कैसा लगा आपको लिट फेस्ट?
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, मतलब शुरुआत से ही द बिगिनिंग वाज विद द म्यूजिक नो, तो वो कितना सूदिंग था। इनफैक्ट मैंने रिंगटोन्स के लिए सारे सेव कर दिए जितना उनका चला है पूरा। पहले वीडियोस हाफ ऑफ इट इन वीडियो एंड हाफ इज रिकॉर्डिंग, जस्ट म्यूजिक सुनने के लिए। बहुत सूदिंग म्यूजिक था। उसके बाद में जो हमारा इंटरव्यूज़ आए हमारे फर्स्ट ऑथर के, सेकंड ऑथर के एंड थर्ड ऑथर के, लेजिट द हिस्ट्री हमें जो जानने को मिली उसके बारे में उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी डिटेल्स टू द पॉइंट भी बताई है, राइट। एंड उससे पहले जो रतन टाटा जी के बारे में जो हमें पता चला दैट वाज सो फैबुलस नो। उसके बाद बुक लेने का भी पूरा मन है अभी, लेकिन अभी बजट वो उसको नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन यही है कि हम ऑनलाइन मंगाएंगे फिर घर जाके। बट ये है कि बुक ज़रूर आएंगे सब बिकॉज इट वाज सो फन।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
अच्छा था।
अच्छा, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
It was a very intellectual experience for me. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम इधर आई हूँ एंड आई थिंक कि मैं आगे भी आती रहूँगी। रतन टाटा जी की जो भी लाइफ का हमने बायोग्राफी सुनी, दैट वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। एंड डॉक्टर थॉमस मैथ्यू, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर किया है अबाउट एवरीथिंग। he was speaking, and I'll definitely go for his book. Thank you.
Thank you.
सर मैं वैसे ही बोलती हूँ। नवरस चैनल के मंच पर मुझे ये आज शेयर करते साझा करते बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज CLS का इंटरनेशनल लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल का पहला दिन 23 नवंबर को बहुत ही शानदार आगाज़ हुआ। सुभाष घोष जी का रूह को सरशार करने वाला संगीत और सुखना लेक का जो समीपता और निकटता, इससे खूबसूरत कोई मेरे को लगता है संगम हो ही नहीं सकता, जहाँ प्रकृति भी है, जहाँ संगीत भी है और जहाँ पर साहित्य भी है। सो आई एम सो मच ग्रेटफुल to the founder, chairperson of Chandigarh Literary Society, मैम डॉक्टर सुमिता मिश्रा। आई एम अ मेंबर ऑफ CLS too, और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा समय नहीं हुआ, मुझे 2 साल ही उसके साथ जुड़े हुए, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है एक लाइफ को एक बड़ा प्यारा सा पर्पस मिला है और एक अच्छा सा अपनी कम्युनिटी क्रिएट हो गई है। अदब की बात करते हैं हम, दुख और करुणा महसूस करते हुए अपने समाज के बारे में अपनी बातें व्यक्त करते हैं जब भी हमारी सभाएँ होती हैं, कोई कविता के माध्यम से, कोई कहानी के माध्यम से, और ये सब मैम की परिस्थिति में होता है। तो बहुत बहुत शुभ इच्छाएँ हैं हमारी ये CLS फैमिली और दिन दुगनी रात तौगनी तरक्की करे और इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल एक बार में नहीं 3-3 बार हुआ करे हमारे एक साल में, ऐसी शुभ इच्छाएँ हैं मेरी। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे साथ हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो कि आए हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। आपका कौन सा स्कूल है? आज आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया इसमें, देखा आपने, क्या देखा आपने आज, क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया आज?
It was a wonderful experience. Lovely experience. We got to know about so many things. We met different authors and got to know about their views. I think all of us really loved it. And the authors were like really kind and really interactive, and we had a very fun day.
What about music? जो लाइव म्यूजिक सुबह चला था?
The musical experience, like the entrance, like when we entered and then we heard those musical chords, it took us to a whole another world, and it was completely enthralling. I loved it.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bollywood actor Tushar Kapoor.
Many of them didn't under the taunts of various soldiers. There were crowds paying for the blood of various people all around. As
Tushar
unfortunate
Kapoor, Bollywood actor,
that my mother's family
taking part in
had
Lit
already
Fest.
gone to Pakistan. And my father had to wait for a year and a half because he was then engaged to my mother, not married. He had to wait for a year and a half to finally go back to Pakistan, even while the war was going on between India and Pakistan, marry my mother and bring her back thereafter. And to facilitate that was one of the most famous Sikh generals of the Indian Army, General Tara Singh Bal, who was the GOC of the Delhi area, and who facilitated this whole thing and actually purchased the tickets and everything for my father to go to Peshawar, marry my mother and bring her back.
So this is the kind of DNA the general is made of, and he had a serious knee injury when he was a youngster. He fought over it, he excelled and rose up to become a general. And a general, the situation in Kashmir, it is not only anti-militancy operations. The security forces are fighting amongst keeping the sympathizers on all this with aplomb. So can we have a little rundown on your tenure, that sensitive and defining eventful tenure as GOC of Srinagar based 15 Corps?
Thank you for that question, and I'm sure this audience would appreciate the fact most of you have a military orientation. That for us, one of the greatest things in the army and the military can ever be that you go to an organization.
Going against the norm, my family, we are a very close-knit family, and the mom and dad, they've celebrated their golden jubilee wedding anniversary now, and I was going ahead to do something which was very against the ordinary, but at the same time, I think like all Indian families, हम परसीव किए जाते हैं कि हम बहुत ही मतलब एग्रेसिव हैं, बट हम वैसे हैं नहीं, हम ट्रेडिशनल हैं, हम कंजर्वेटिव हैं, बट वी आल्सो वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग, वी आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल, हालांकि वी कैन बी you can be different, but if you are
Bachelor dad. अकेले बिना किसी feminine energy की like that. Feminine energy in the sense like a woman, in the absence of a woman. एक लड़का क्या अकेले औलाद को पाल सकता है? What do you think? Can you take care of a child alone? ये सवाल में सोसाइटी.
मेरे पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ था कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये स्टेप लिया उस टाइम पे in 2015 when I embarked on this step. So for me it was first of its kind, and I was nervous कि एक तो क्या एक्सेप्टेंस होगी, तब फैमिली का सपोर्ट तो है, लेकिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, ऑडियंस का, सोसाइटी का क्या रिएक्शंस होंगे, all those things were making me very very thoughtful. Or will I? And also, but the most important thing that I realized was that am I doing something that I genuinely want to do? Am I serious about this? Am I going to be taking on this responsibility responsibly?
Of course.
And am I going to be able to do it? So when I had thought about all those things, then I gained that confidence कि नहीं, अगर मुझे ये सही लगता है और अगर मैं बहुत क्लियर हूँ कि मुझे एज अ सिंगल पेरेंट ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी है.
Participating once again in this extremely lovely Lit Fest. I had the honor of being here earlier this year as well, and now of course this session becomes doubly special because sitting next to me is not only someone who you've seen on screen and loved, but he's such a wonderful and down-to-earth person as well, and that's what makes this session even more special for me because we as a literary agency have had the honor, privilege and pleasure of representing this.
Very typically Indian family, and of course we live in Mumbai and we're part of the big bad world of movies, but contrary to what is perceived, our family has adhered to the traditional Indian middle class value system, and one that believes that marriage is sacrosanct, and the one that believes that marriage is for keeps, and the value system of respecting your elders, and what more do I say, the May family holidays, and the typical playing in the building with your friends after school, the middle class Mumbaikar life that we've seen over the decades. I think that was typically what my upbringing was like, even though there was another part of it, another side to it, which had the movies connected to it because of my father's profession, but we never really visited his sets too much. And not that there was, anything too westernized or too forward thinking going on in the sets, also because the movies that he worked in also were very, very traditional Indian family oriented movies.
Absolutely.
And India was different then, in the 70s and 80s and a part of the 90s also when I grew up, and a lot has changed now since the late 80s and the 90s. I think our entire value system was very different. Why did I, opt for such a unique journey as a father, as a single father? Of course. And how does it differ, I think, how does it differ from how it was for my parents? So I did learn a lot from them, as I spoke about in this the first half of my answer, but there's a lot I unlearned too, to really, really carve my own path as a father, to really do what I think would be best for my son. And of course, there's no perfect answer. 20, 30 years down the line, my son will probably saying that I will not do what my father did. There's no perfect parenting style, and I'm sure I'm making a lot of mistakes too. But of course, I am open to learning and I'm open to correction.
And I hope
as far as my career choices was concerned, basically I've grown up as a semi-introvert. And again, talking about stereotypes, I think that was not what you'd see a star son. That's not what an ideal star son would be like, especially in that era. One wouldn't expect a star son of someone like my father to be an introvert, to be more studious, and not dance at film parties, not be so social. So I probably, even though I loved watching movies, I probably conditioned myself to understand that ये काम नहीं कर सकता मैं, ये नहीं करना है, इसके अलावा कुछ और try करना ही पड़ेगा. And I went abroad because I was good academically, so I said that maybe I'll find myself there. I need to really find who I am really. Of course, also because we grew up so protectively, in the environment that we do in India, especially if you are from Bollywood, then you are very, very protected. So I wanted to really know who am I really as a person, who are my true friends, what are my career choices that really connect to what I am from inside. To work in organization there as per my F1 visa status. So I took that 1 year work experience there as a financial analyst in an automotive supplier company, and I finished a year, and that's when I realized that I'm passionate about movies. So why am I trying to deny that to myself?
Right.
So I had to really go abroad and find out what I don't want to do to know what I want to do. For me, it was a little bit of a roundabout way because I was so conflicted. So then I came back to Mumbai and became an assistant director. And then as I became an assistant director, I realized that, okay, this is where I want to be. And again, the confusion was कि actor बनना है, cameraman बनना है, director बनना है, producer बनना है, क्या बनना है? And then it was just about getting an offer to act in a film, and which is why I said, okay, now I'm going to jump into the deep end of the sea and just अभी ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. अभी 23 साल के हो गए. I want a job. I want a job on my own. I want to be self-made. Like I got a job abroad, I want to get a job here on my own. And if it is about becoming an actor, I'm going to be a parent without opting for marriage. And I was in my mid-30s and I was like, I'm not married yet, but I want to have children. I can't wait too long to have children, you know. I can wait as much as I want to get married.
Yes.
But I can't wait too long to have children. So it was an idea, a thought, but I didn't have the guts to, you know, really take it on seriously at that point of time, because I was like, हाँ ठीक है सोचेंगे, जब time आएगा तो देखेंगे. And then eventually, as I've written in the book also, I came across this individual, Prakash Jha ji. He's from my fraternity, and he enlightened me about the fact that there are some people in Mumbai, a single woman especially, who has become a parent through assistive reproductive procedures, and she's got a daughter who's 2 years old. So thereafter the procedure started, he introduced me to them. I met the doctor who guided them, and the rest is in my book.
Absolutely.
It'll go on and on for me to talk about right now. So yes, of course, all this happened, and then what was more important was to do or not to do. And that is when I had to convince myself that what do I want? What do I think is my life going to be about? Am I clear? Am I ready to be a father? Am I wanting to be a father? Am I going to be able to take the responsibility on my own? Once that was clear, then all these other voices that worry us, that make us confused, that make us feel nervous, कि पेरेंट्स क्या बोलेंगे, लोग क्या बोलेंगे. Of course, पेरेंट्स की इजाज़त तो चाहिए होती है, उनका सपोर्ट तो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. They know a lot about life, they have more experience than us, so they can guide us. But more important than that, grandparents.
Yeah.
If you want to bring up your child well, they will only be able to be grandparents. You have to be the parent. So are you willing to take on this step?
Yes.
And once that battle that one has with himself or herself is clear, even if it's about marriage, I think it's important we have to be clear first. कि करनी है कि नहीं करनी है.
Correct.
क्योंकि खुश तो हमें रहना है. अगर हम खुश नहीं रहेंगे तो हम दूसरे को खुश नहीं कर पाएंगे. अपना बच्चा जो है उसको खुश नहीं रख पाएंगे. So I had crossed that hurdle, and then the rest follows.
Yes. No, I think that's very well said. And if you read,
most of our flights on the way back, we had 2 separate flights or the same flight, both got cancelled. So he called me up and said, "How are you going?" I said, "I'm driving to Chennai and then flying back." So we carpooled together, and in that car drive is when he spoke to me about all this.
Yes.
So it was God sent, literally.
Absolutely. No, absolutely. I completely agree.
So much of being very kind.
I'm being
It's my
honest.
first time, so if you have any, you know, थोड़ा अगर आपको अच्छी नहीं
ये जब भी
लगी
first
तो
time-
माफ
first
कर
time-
लेना, क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस.
नहीं ये फर्स्ट टाइम काम
पहला
करते हैं,
experience
अवार्ड
था.
मिल जाता है. फर्स्ट पिक्चर की उसी पे अवार्ड मिल गया आपको. So that's how you are, no, always.
Thank you so much. I mean, I'm talking about a book 2 years after its release, just goes to say that I must have done something right.
Absolutely.
But I think that was the right time. Honestly, I don't know why. I think it was just about getting inspired by my friends. My friends to tell me that, you know, आपकी life इतनी unique रही है, आपकी parenting journey इतनी अलग रही है. Why don't you write a book? And it was not just about highlighting the fact that, oh, see, I'm so different. I think the idea was that there are a lot of people with a lot of questions because I'm in the limelight. So
Sure.
the media scrutiny is always there. So always ask me, आपने ऐसा ये क्यों किया? आपने की कैसे possible है? आपने शादी क्यों नहीं की? आप कैसे अकेले कर रहे हो? आपके माँ बाप ने क्या सोचा? आपको डर नहीं लगा? आपका बेटा आपसे सवाल नहीं करेगा या बेटी आपसे सवाल नहीं करेगी? You know, whatever. बेटा at that time he was born. So इन सारे सवालों के जवाब I had to give it in a book, क्योंकि मैं इंटरव्यूज दूंगा या मैं जब फिल्मों की प्रमोशन करने जाता था तो लोगों के सवालों के जवाब देता था, लेकिन that's not enough because वो कहीं कोई एक बाइट किसी ने कुछ सुना, किसी ने कुछ वहाँ सुना, किसी ने यहाँ कुछ सुना, एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव में नहीं आई थी. So I felt it is important to talk about my journey and, you know,
give people the right idea about what I went through and why I did what I did and how it's been for my as far as my journey is concerned.
Absolutely. I at that point of time also felt
And
that
I think your coming into my life is also godsend because I couldn't have asked for a better literary agent. Sohail Mathur is one of a kind, and वो भी इत्तेफाक से आप you connected with me.
yes.
And so I think ये सब लिखा हुआ होता है कि कब क्या होना है. I think वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता है. हम आप चाह के मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर I think सही इंसान का आपकी जिंदगी में आना, सही लिटरेरी एजेंट का जिंदगी में आना, वो सारी कड़ियाँ मिलनी होती है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं यार.
लॉकडाउन का हो जाना, लॉकडाउन के जरिए 2 एक्स्ट्रा चैप्टर्स मिल गए मुझे.
Exactly. No, and in fact it was wonderful. I must tell all of you that his book was commissioned just, you know, the idea and the writing was so powerful that on the basis of just a sample chapter, we were able to sell the book to one of India's biggest publishing houses, Penguin Random House. So, you know, as I said, he's being too kind, but his writing speaks a lot. So, Tushar, you know, he spoke about the lockdown, and, you know, lockdown gave everyone an opportunity to work from home, right? But an actor doesn't necessarily have the luxury to work from home. You know, actors have to report to sets, they're working there, and I know you are a very hands-on, very involved, and a very caring father, you know, be it with any activity related to Lakshya, be it his baking or music. My question to you is that how do you, you know, accomplish both these roles so successfully? I'm not asking how do you do it. I know you do it.
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਵਿਧਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਦੱਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ.
ਟਾਈਮ ਸੀ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ. ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ.
थैंक यू
सेशन. थैंक यू.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद रणधीर उपल जी आपका, वाहिद खडियाल जी आपका. आपके रचना धर्मिता से परिचित हम हुए हैं, और मॉडरेटर के रूप में जस्सी तो अपने आप में खास है ही. तालियां एक बार जोरदार हो जानी चाहिए. दूसरे से अलग हो या ना हो जरूरी नहीं होता. बहुत बहुत आभार आपका. अगला सेशन हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. आरिता जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि उसका परिचय आपको दें. तालियां एक बार हो जाएं, तालियां एक बार हो जाएं. और जो इधर उधर खड़े हैं महानुभाव, उनसे निवेदन है कि सीट आप ले लें. बहुत खूबसूरत अगला सेशन होने जा रहा है, और आपकी उपस्थिति बहुत अच्छी सुबह से है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि लगातार आपका वो प्यार, वो जुड़ाव, वो लगाव दिखता रहे.
Legal landmarks in law, including FICCI and Bharat Nirman, and has fought many landmark cases. An erudite speaker, a writer. She's active in social issues.
इसके इनहिबिशन हटाना है. ठीक है, इधर वहाँ पे हो जाए. इधर आओ, इधर हो जाओ दीवानों के साथ. माधव को मैंने पकड़ा हुआ है यहाँ कमर से. लेट मी सी वेदर इट ट्रेम्बल्स और नॉट. अच्छा इधर आपको पीछे.
Good.
Now I think that is bye. They're onto their YouTube and they're onto their football and so I guess it's just हमारा जो सही टाइम पे होना था वो हो गया. Of course it is tough at times, but it's worked out for me in a way. I think because maybe I cut down on the shootings after he was born. I became more of a producer, and then the lockdown happened. So I had to be at home. Then when we went offline, he's grown up. So there are challenges, but you have to work around it.
Absolutely. You know, he mentioned about teaching his son, and the running joke that I always have with him is that, you know, nobody in the world can teach powers better than him.